Police have opened an investigation into a player in the Ontario Hockey League. Oshawa Generals forward Connor Lockhart has been suspended indefinitely by his team and the league after they learned of the investigation. The OHL says the 21-year-old was suspended for what it calls a league and team code of conduct matter. The captain of the Toronto Maple Leafs is in an off-ice battle against the Canada Revenue Agency. John Tavares is disputing an $8 million tax assessment connected to the first year of his contract. CTV's Sean Leathong explains.
Signing with Toronto as a free agent back in 2018 made John Tavares a much richer man. Now the Leafs captain is in a fight with the Canada Revenue Agency over millions in bonus payment.
Rebound scores, John Tavares.
According to an appeal filed recently in tax court, the CRA says Tavares owes over $6.8 million in unpaid taxes and $1.2 million in interest dating back to 2018.
I think that the CRA takes a large-scale position and throws the book in a lot of their assessments, and it's incumbent on taxpayers to file the disputes, such as a notice of appeal in tax court.
Jason Rosen is a tax lawyer who says that Tavares has a good chance of winning this appeal. In the appeal, it says Tavares was paid a salary of $650,000 US in his first season in Toronto, but he received a bonus of $15.25 million the day he signed, part of a 7-year contract worth $77 million. Initially, over $2 million in taxes was paid at a rate of 15%, the appeal saying that at the time Tavares was a resident of the United States as he played for over a decade in New York. The money went into his New York bank. The appeal pointing to Section 16, subsection 4 of the Canada-U.S. Tax Treaty, which says that an amount paid by a resident of Canada to a resident of the United States as an inducement to sign an agreement relating to the performance of the services of an athlete may be taxed in Canada at a maximum of 15%. Court documents say the CRA then reassessed Tavares in the fall of 2022, ordering him to pay at a rate of 38% on the bonus plus interest.
There was an option between 15% tax and playing for a team that offered that versus any Canadian team that's offering a 45% tax rate or higher. That is a clear choice.
We contacted KPMG, the firm representing Tavares in the case. They would not comment as the matter is before the courts.
Sean Leathong, CTV News, Toronto.